In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get links of files uploaded to your Shopify store. If you're managing a Shopify store and need to share or use files uploaded to your site, accessing their links is a straightforward process. This will prove quite helpful if you're looking to include these files in emails, newsletters, or just about any online platform where you wish to share resources directly from your store. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the left panel of your Shopify dashboard. In this menu, look for the option labeled Content. Once you've located that, go ahead and click on it. This section hosts a variety of options related to the content present on your store, but for our purpose today, we will focus on the files you've uploaded. After selecting Content, there's another step you need to take. Within the Content menu, you'll see a subsection labeled Files. Click on Files, and you'll be directed to a page where all your uploaded files are conveniently listed. This section gives you a detailed view of everything you've uploaded, whether it's images, documents, or any other type of file. It's like having your own mini library right within your Shopify dashboard. Now, let's talk about how to get the link for a specific file. As you scroll through your list of uploaded files, take note of the one for which you need the link. There's a handy little trick to make this process quick and easy. All you have to do is hover your mouse cursor over the file you're interested in. As you do this, you'll notice that a chain icon appears. It's located at the far right end of the file's entry in the list. This icon is your tool for copying the link. When you see this icon, simply click on it. This action does something quite useful. It copies the link of the file directly to your clipboard. This means you don't need to right-click, open in a new tab, or any extra steps that you might be used to. It's really efficient. Once the link is copied, you have the freedom to paste it wherever you need. Whether you're updating a product page, sending out an email campaign, or updating other parts of your website, this link will direct anyone to the specific file you've chosen. And that's really all there is to it. Getting links to your uploaded files in Shopify is a breeze with these steps. It's one of those small tasks that makes a big difference in how you share and utilize your store's resources. I hope this guide helps streamline your workflow and makes managing your Shopify store a bit easier. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.